Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
فصحى
refers to classical or modern standard Arabic, the formal version of Arabic used in writing, media, education, and the Quran. It contrasts with regional spoken dialects.
فصحى 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 فصحى.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.